This project involves pressure and temperature. I use a glass bottle here and put a quarter on top, making it a seal, and it's effective at keeping the air around the bottle out. Later, I put it in the freezer for about 7 hours. Pressure and temperature are directly related. As pressure goes up, the temperature goes up, and vice versa. The bottle experiences a drop in temperature, so the pressure of the bottle also drops, causing the particles to slow down and gain density. The sudden rise in temperature will cause the bottle to rapidly expand, and the pressure raises inside. When I take the bottle out of the freezer, I pour water over it. The hydrogen bonds in the water create a better seal than the coin itself because of the cohesion and adhesion. When there is a better seal, the expanding air inside the bottle will try to escape, and the pressure increases. And eventually, the pressure will rise until there is a pop, meaning that the hydrogen bonds broke and pressure is released, as shown.